Atlanta, Georgia. On October 9, 2024, at approximately 9:44 a.m., officers responded to Biscayne Drive Northwest in reference to a residential burglary. The reporting party contacted 911 after observing an unidentified male on surveillance footage breaking into his home and stealing his firearm. The reporting party provided a description of the suspect to 911 dispatchers, who then relayed that information to responding officers. Officers arrived at the location a short time later, where they observed a male matching the description that was provided. Upon seeing the officers approach, the suspect fled through an apartment complex on foot and attempted to elude officers by climbing up and over a tall fence. The suspect was unsuccessful, though, and was quickly apprehended by the responding officers. The suspect was placed into custody without further incident, and officers were also able to recover the victim's firearm, which the suspect attempted to conceal under a bush. The suspect was later identified as 33-year-old Kenneth Wack. Wack was charged with burglary, first degree, criminal trespass, sheer damage to property, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, and obstruction of law enforcement officers. Wack was transported to the Fulton County Jail for processing.
I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground. Wait, get that off. I'm on the ground. Give me a hand. Put your hand behind your back, then. My hand behind my back. Your other one. Turn around. You want my arm?
Say, grab that other arm. I got this one. Grab that other one.
All right, can I move over? Put your right hand behind your back.
I'm trying to move on my back.
No, I'm not that tight.
There we go. All right. Go ahead.
Jump in face.
Good shit, guys. Good shit. Magazine's out? Yeah. The magazine's over here. Oh. Just clear it so I can make sure you don't have one.
He's a victim. He's a victim.
That's your weapon?
Yes. Rigger EC9S. That's fine.
We never had to be callers over G. Charlton. You ran from all the way down there.
You don't know how much I appreciate you guys.
You really don't. No.
There you go.